In this video, we're going to talk about the best ingredients for young-looking skin. With so much emphasis on the skin, it's now time to talk about skincare strictly. One of the worst choices to make for your skin is to randomly grab a beauty product off of a shelf and decide to give it a try. Firstly, it's important to consult a dermatologist and get some counseling and professional help in your aim to reverse aging. Secondly, it's always a good idea to do your own research and be aware of the age-defying ingredients used in products that claim to reverse aging. Some of the most potent ones you should look for include the following. Retinoids. Retinoids work in a number of ways. These are actually one of the chemical forms of vitamin A and are readily found in numerous beauty products, even those that are not specified for reverse aging. Retinoids work by simply speeding up the regeneration process of skin cells. They make weak and exhausted cells die faster and make room for new healthy cells to replace them. In addition to that, they reduce the breakdown of collagen. Retinoids also reduce the production of melanin, the naturally occurring skin pigment, keeping the skin from darkening. All these properties of retinoids help in reverse aging as they reduce the incidence of acne breakouts and other skin problems, help fight wrinkles, and help regenerate the skin cells. Salicylic acid. Another ingredient to look for in skincare products is salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is used in almost all anti-acne treatments. However, it's underestimated when it comes to its age-defying properties. Salicylic acid is actually a vital ingredient in products for reverse aging. It's available as an age-defying ingredient in many lotions, creams, ointments, and gels. It aids other products to absorb better into the skin, optimizing their effectiveness. Essentially, salicylic acid works by increasing the turnover of skin cells by making the old and worn-out cells die faster to make way for new cells. This helps in adequate production of collagen, which keeps the skin elastic and wrinkle-free. This action also improves the texture of the skin significantly, making it smoother and more even. Caffeine. You can rely on caffeine to not only keep you alert, but also keep you looking young. Not only does it make the mornings more tolerable and less grouchy, it is in fact a very good age-defying ingredient in many beauty products. Caffeine has very high antioxidant activity. It helps get rid of free radicals, whether they are a byproduct of natural body metabolism or from the UV radiation in the atmosphere. These free radicals, if not removed by antioxidants, attack healthy cells of the body either by destroying them or causing them a loss of their functionality. In addition, caffeine also has anti-inflammatory properties. It reduces inflammation by causing vasoconstriction, or constriction of the blood vessels. So when it's applied locally over an inflamed area, it constricts the blood vessels and reduces the blood flow to that area, gradually reducing inflammation. It is especially used in reverse aging products and serums for eyes. These products aim to reduce the puffiness and sagging of the under eye area. Green tea extract. Green tea extracts are known to have a very soothing and cooling effect. In fact, cold green tea bags are said to be an effective remedy for inflamed or saggy skin. Green tea extracts are used in age-defying products too. Green tea is rich in polyphenols that help fight free radicals, protecting the skin from their damage. It keeps the skin clear from fine lines and wrinkles. Green tea extract also helps limit the damage caused by the sun, which is a key factor in reverse aging. Epidermal growth factor, or EGF. The body has numerous epidermal growth factors depending on their site of action. The epidermal growth factor for skin is used in many age-defying creams, lotions, and serums to reverse aging. The epidermal growth factor stimulates renewal of skin cells. It also enhances the appearance of the skin by promoting death of old and exhausted skin cells. With growing age, the normal cell turnover rate in all body tissues is reduced. The skin is no different. Epidermal growth factor works to stimulate this and to give an overall youthful and more vibrant appearance to dull and aging skin. Coenzyme Q10, or ubiquinone, also known as vitamin Q. Coenzyme Q10 is an extremely important agent in the process of reverse aging. Vitamin Q works as an antioxidant, getting rid of free radicals that kill cells in different tissues of the body, including the skin. By depleting the levels of free radicals in the skin, vitamin Q decreases the breakdown of skin. This, in turn, reduces the thinning of the skin, thereby strengthening it and making it stronger against other aging factors. It not only stops the excessive breakdown of skin cells, but also promotes the growth of new ones so that the skin is more vibrant, youthful, and softer. Vitamin Q and anti-aging products greatly increases the probability of these creams, lotions, and serums to work. It's also a safer option than synthetic chemicals that are not natural and may have certain adverse effects. Argireline. Argireline is a somewhat infamous ingredient in anti-aging and anti-wrinkle creams and serums. It works in a different way from the other ingredients mentioned above and works by inhibiting muscular movement. It does so on a smaller scale, but is sometimes called Botox in a jar. Botox does not work the same way. It works by paralyzing the nerve supplying a particular muscle. Wrinkles are formed on the face due to the overlapping shape and interrelations between muscles. Those are the wrinkles naturally present and do not form with age. Argireline inhibits muscle movement to some extent and helps reduce such wrinkles. It is one of the most beloved ingredients used in products for reverse aging, and rightfully so. Grapeseed extract. Grapeseed extracts carry polyphenols that can find and fight free radicals damaging the skin. It also improves the activity of vitamin C, which is known to have countless benefits for the skin. It is readily absorbed in the skin and has exfoliating properties. Grapeseed extract can do wonders in taking off years from the face. And that is not all. Grapeseed extract can add elasticity to the skin by improving the quality of collagen in it. Collagen is vital in maintaining healthy and younger-looking skin that is free of fine lines and wrinkles. Grapeseed oil also has antifungal, antibacterial, and antiseptic properties. So when this is present in a beauty product, it not only helps the skin in reverse aging, but also makes sure that the skin is protected against bacteria and other organisms that cause infections and other skin conditions. Niacinamide. Niacinamide is a chemical form of niacin, or vitamin B3. Niacinamide also has antioxidant properties that work the same way as most of the other ingredients mentioned here. However, one property that is exclusive to niacinamide is its ability to help the skin retain water. So, if you're drinking ample water in your attempts to reverse aging, having niacinamide in your skincare routine will help the skin retain all that water, keeping it hydrated and elastic.
I just cannot stop talking about the Red Tea Detox System. My friends are so tired of me bringing it up, and my husband finally agreed to try it just to get me to show up about it. Well, and he saw the wonders it worked for me, and he loves it. So it was really a godsend for me and my family. And I just cannot believe an entire African tribe was sitting on this amazing secret for so long. So where do I even begin with describing it? It's so simple to follow, and I never got confused about what I was supposed to be doing on that day. Liz makes sure to explain everything you need to know so that you never get tangled up with it. And I was a little worried about the tea at first, but once I actually tried it, I was actually blown away at how delicious it was. And plus, Liz gives you loads of different ways to prepare it, so I never got bored with it. Tea lattes, smoothies, slushies, even popsicles are all included. But most importantly of all, the Red Tea Detox actually really truly works. And not just a little, it worked a lot. And I've been on it for over a month now, and I'm already down 22 pounds. Yeah, 22 pounds. And as a mother of 2 young kids, I really couldn't be any happier than I am with this diet. Ever since starting a family, I haven't had a whole lot of time for exercise, and my days are a whirlwind of extracurricular activities, carpooling, keeping the house clean, and preparing meals. So when I finally got a free second, I really don't want to spend it on my feet. And beyond that, there simply isn't enough time in the day to make a separate breakfast, lunch, and dinner for myself along with everyone else's. So the red tea detox solved both of those problems for me. I could exercise when I wanted to, but it wasn't required, and I could still eat most of the same meals my family was having. No double cooking, and that means more time to do what I love most, and that's spending time with my beautiful family.